Thank you, Miss Grace. Sobra na yung intro na yun, ha? Nakakry na ako. Thank you so much for the very kind introduction. Actually, yun, nakakry ako. because when we actually started this, everything was really, I'm sorry, everything was towards the negative. The perception, nobody actually really believed in it. The advocacy here is, as I said, towards healthy Philippines. Ang dami yan, dami pinagsimulan na. Iba-iba yung naging title, hanggang iba-iba yung mga naging kasama. And eventually, ang pinaka-pasalamat namin that the Department of Health actually support. And also we have the Department of Education, Department of Agriculture, and all other exhibitors and sponsors. Siguro isipin nyo, si doktora naman, ang sexy. Ba't niya iisipin na na surgeon, I deal with a lot of fat. I do liposuction, I do weight loss and everything. But kasi ang problem po, usually kasi ng patients ko, especially when I do the lipo part, they always say, doktora, bumabalik naman eh. This misconception that liposuction is a weight loss procedure, but it's not. No, it's just a quick fix for a cosmetic problem. However, weight gain, obesity, overweight, and it is not supposed to be perceived as merely as a cosmetic problem. Okay, that's why we wanted everything here. So when you say weight loss, palagi ang isip nyo, papalay po ako, magaganto ko. But it always starts with a healthy diet and exercise. Actually, last na kami. The expo is here so that we can showcase. It's actually a showcase, A showcase of anything and everything that's healthy for us. So because aside from just being cosmetically unappealing when you're a little bit overweight, everything. And with the support of Senator Nikki, that their school is partnered with the Department of Health, they are starting healthy lifestyle during childhood. So weight maliliit pa lang, and then they just can't shed it off. So as I said, it's projected that in several years from now, more than 40% of the entire population will be overweight and obese. Okay, and it is a very big risk factor. Healthy for us, for Fit Philippines. So thank you so much, everyone, for your support, and we will continue this advocacy. And with all of your support and help, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, ASEC Eric Taig, for keynote speech for this morning. Everyone, let's give him a big round of applause, please.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Senator Nikki Cosete, Miss Grace, Dr. Claudine, lahat who used to be fat, who will be fat, who are fat. Gangna umaga po uli sa inyong lahat. The Department of Health did not hesitate being sold to us. We saw its potential. The potential that we can change the lifestyle of Filipinos. If you don't know yet, mainly these are the cardiovascular diseases, cancer. We have the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, count diabetes in. And so therefore, the Department of Health has to act fast for this lifestyle or non-communicable diseases. The Department of Health recently launched Pilipinas Go for Health. You can be part of our movement. You can check and be a member. It's a movement. It has 4 components. Go Sustancia. Okay, we have to have healthy diets, healthy food meals. Go Sigla. Go smoke-free. That's targeting a tobacco-free environment, tobacco-free Philippines. And go slow sa Tagay. It's Friday, so dahan-dahan lang sa Tagay, and for example, in the United Kingdom, alcohol, but it affects other people. When you drink and drive, you might hurt yourself or kill yourself and kill other people. That's why it was the most harmful substance in the United Kingdom's list. Philippines is also the largest consumer of alcohol in Southeast Asia. So the Department of Health embarked several programs. We have how we can change the behaviors of students by providing an enabling environment where they can choose the food that best suit their needs. We invite you to visit Diliman Prep School, vegetables and fruits. In the coming months, the Department of Health is going to put out our version of the food plate, My Plate, Pinggang Pinoy. It will allow Filipinos for the first time to look and because this is the Taba Congress, I was talking to Sarah Nikki Coseteng and she was telling me, Dr. Eric, nasaan yung mga taba? Mukhang these people are already fit. Well, they will come. They will come later. They will used to be taba. I used to be taba. Okay, that's why I'm now here at the Taba Congress. If you wanted to know, I lost around 30 pounds in the last 3 months. Was our Belly Good program executive edition at the DOH. Secretary Ona wanted the directors and members of the EXICOM to manage our waist, vascular diseases, if our waistline for males is more than 35 inches, and for females, if it's more than 32 inches. And so therefore, for 6 months, the directors and members of the EXICOM 15 will be giving recognition for those who managed to lose so much inches, at least in their at the waistline, and it's a lifestyle. If I can do it, you can do it as well. And I can all day, but it won't be. I usually dance the talk. Gusto nyo ba? I can't hear you. Oh, sige. Pupunta lang ako dun sa sound, check natin.
Tayag, there you go. And of course, that was our opening dance number for this morning. And you can see the look of the faces of everyone right here. Very, very contagious, taking the lead, a very healthy lifestyle, doing Zumba.